Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can add rows in between the data which is already populated. I have taken the sample data which is already populated. In this sample sheet, if I wanted to add additional rows, how do I add the rows in between this data? The first method is select the row and right click and click on Insert. In the bottom, you can see the icon has changed to plus. Again, right click and click on Insert. You have added a row now. If one row is not enough and you wanted to add multiple rows, you need to repeat the operation. Right click and click on Insert, Insert, Insert again. This will add more rows. There is a shortcut key which we can use to undo the rows which we have added. So Ctrl Z is the shortcut key. Ctrl plus Z to undo the action which you did. If I wanted to add the rows again, select the row, you will see the plus sign and simply use the Ctrl Y to add the rows. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. When you use Ctrl plus Y, you will see the rows are getting added. Again, simply press Ctrl and Z to undo whatever you have done. If I wanted to add the rows in between the data which is already populated without any blank rows, select the rows and click Insert. This will insert the rows in between the rows which there was a data. You can see there is a new row which is added. I can simply copy the text from the rows which has the data and simply paste, or I can even enter some text in the blank row. For example, Government France. I will add backs and enter low. In this way, you can fill the blank rows. I will enter some more text, mouse, CPU and motherboard. Then I will also enter USB. Cable. This is just to enter and see how we can use the rows which we have created. I will start copying the data into the blank cells. Since this is France data, I will also copy the France into the blank cells. This is how you will be able to create rows in between the data.